Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing these beautiful ceramic pots that can make any space look calm and stylish. Their clean design, smooth texture and soft colors make them perfect for any type of plant or home decor. Whether you want to decorate your living room, brighten up your balcony or create a cozy corner, these pots fit everywhere. They are sturdy, long lasting, and add a very natural, elegant touch to your home. This is a very beautiful round ceramic pot with a bright blue rim and a modern mesh style pattern all over the body. The colors are very fresh and vibrant, so the pot instantly catches attention. It has a glossy finish on top and a smooth sturdy build that makes it perfect for decorating any corner of your home. You can keep it in your balcony, living room, bedroom, or even near your entrance. It adds a clean and elegant look everywhere. The size of this pot is medium to large, which makes it ideal for plants that like space to grow. Some great plants options for these pots are areca palm, snake plant, money plant, jade plant, peace lily, spider plant, or even medium-sized ferns. The wide mouth of the pot helps the plant breathe well and allows better root growth. If you want to keep it outdoors, you can also use it for flowering plants like hibiscus or ixora. The design and color combination of blue, white and green plants look very soothing and stylish. It works as a statement piece in your home decor. You can use it directly for planting or simply place a nursery pot inside. For direct planting, just add small stones at the bottom for drainage. Maintenance is very easy. Wipe the pot with a dry cloth to keep the shine. Avoid keeping it in very hot sunlight for too long because ceramic pots can heat up. The price of this type of ceramic pot usually falls between 350 to 600, and for a design like this around 450 is a good price. Overall, this pot is perfect if you want something colorful, elegant and long lasting for your plant corner. This is a stunning ceramic pot with a rich glossy finish and a beautiful blend of earthy colors like brown, gold and hints of green. The pot has a unique hand-painted look with spot style patterns all over, which gives it a very artistic and premium appearance. Because of the shiny glaze, the colors look even more vibrant when light falls on it. The round shape with the slightly raised rim on top makes the pot look stylish and modern, perfect for any home decor setting. This pot is medium to large in size, so it's ideal for plants that grow fuller or need good root space. Some perfect plant choices for this pot are jade plant, snake plant, syngonium, or some flowering plants like anthurium. The warm tones of the pot match beautifully with green plants, making the whole look very rich and elegant. You can place this pot in your living room, bedroom corner, balcony, or near the entrance to create a stylish focal point. Because of its shiny and premium look, it also works very well as a decorative outer pot. You can keep a nursery pot inside or plant directly. If planting directly, just add some stones at the bottom to drainage. Maintenance is very easy, just wipe it with a soft cloth to maintain the shine. Avoid keeping it under strong hot sunlight for too long as ceramic glaze stay best in mild conditions. The price for this kind of glazed ceramic pot generally ranges from 400 to 700. Considering the design and quality, around 500 to 550 is a good selling price for this piece. Overall, this pot is perfect if you want something classy, glossy and eye-catching that instantly adds warmth and elegance to any space. Next one is very beautiful ceramic decorative piece designed in the shape of a small temple or mandir. It has a smooth glossy finish with a calming light cream color in the center and a rich deep blue shade on the top and bottom borders. The combination of cream and blue gives it a very peaceful and traditional look, perfect for spiritual decor. On the sides, it has hand-painted symbols like the swastik and Om, which add a touch of positivity and makes it ideal for your puja corner or meditation space. The design is compact yet eye-catching, making it suitable for home temples, puja shelves, office desks, or even as a gifting item for festivals and housewarming ceremonies. Because of its sturdy ceramic material, it feels solid and durable while still being lightweight enough to handle comfortably. The raised top and unique shape also make it stand out as a decorative showpiece. You can use this piece in multiple ways as a small diya stand, incense holders, candle holder, or simply as a spiritual decorative item. It fits beautifully in living room, entry tables, puja room, or small mandir setups. The glossy surface reflects light nicely, giving it a bright and divine feel when placed near lamps or candles. Maintenance is simple, just wipe it in gently with a soft cloth to keep the shine. Avoid dropping or hitting it against hard surfaces since it's ceramic. Keep it in a clean, dry place so the hand-painted symbols stay vibrant for a long time. The price of this kind of handcrafted ceramic decor item usually ranges between 150 to 300. Considering the design, colors, and detailing, around 180 to 220 is a very good selling price. Overall, this piece is perfect for anyone who loves spiritual decor, traditional symbols, and small elegant items that add positivity to a space. This is a very beautiful tall ceramic pot with a rich brown glaze and a textured brick style pattern all around the body. The glossy finish gives it a premium and earthy look, and the color blends beautifully with green plants. The tall shape makes it perfect for adding height and elegance to any corner of your home, balcony, or garden. The design is simple yet very classy, so it suits both modern and traditional decor styles. Because of its height, this pot is ideal for plants that grow upward or have long stems. Some perfect plant choices for this pot are snake plant, jade plant, money plant, bamboo plant, rubber plant. The tall structure supports these plants well and gives them a stylish vertical look. You can place this pot at your entrance, balcony corner, living room, bedroom corner, or even beside a study table. It works great as a statement piece because the brown glaze has a warm, natural feel that makes the space look more rounded and elegant. You can also use it as an outer cover pot and place your nursery pot inside, or plant directly if you prefer. For direct planting, just add stones at the bottom for better drainage. Maintenance is very easy. Simply wipe the pot with a soft cloth to keep the shine and remove dust. Try not to keep it in strong hard sunlight for too long because the glossy glaze can fade slightly over time. The overall ceramic is very durable. The price for this type of tall ceramic pot usually ranges between 350 to 650 depending on height and quality. For this design and finish, around 450 to 500 is an ideal selling price. Overall, this tall brown ceramic pot is perfect if you want something elegant, sturdy, and stylish that instantly adds height and beauty to your decor. So that was a quick look at all the beautiful ceramic pots I shared today. Each pot has its own unique design, color, and style, and they can instantly change the look of any corner in your home. Whether you want something modern, traditional, glossy, or earthy, ceramic pots are always a great choice because they are strong, long-lasting, and perfect for indoor and outdoor plants. I hope this video helped you get some ideas for your home decor and plant styling. If you like the design, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite pot, and subscribe to the channel for more plant and decor content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.